I think the most challenging thing is whenever you have to get a problem done really fast. It can be very stressful on me and my dad. We've just learned how to manage our stress and planned a lot more ahead now than forgetting something and having to plan it last minute. I really enjoy getting a problem done that someone might have. It feels very good to help someone, and it definitely feels very rewarding.
I've known Logan for a lot longer than just 1 year as his ag teacher. We've lived in Tipton for a while. And with that being said, I think Logan is a wonderful leader and a wonderful communicator. And with this role, I think it's something that's going to continue to just prosper. And he's grown as a business person as well as a communicator, and just outside of that farm experience too. All of those things are very important whenever we look at something like this. But I also would say Logan is 16 years old. And so learning the chemistry and learning how to apply these products is pretty tough as well. And so not only that, but the science behind flying drones too. And so I was very, very impressed that the data that he knew and was able to collect, how to fly those, that's something not a lot of students know, and he's overcome that challenge, and I think that that's incredible.
You know, I like where we're going with what we're doing with the drone business, and I can really see this thing expanding. I'd like him to get a few more drones. I'd like to see him hire some pilots in the future.